Hello everyone. Okay, so today we are going to begin our next video, that is the Bose and the ironing. And this video we are going to cover this whole orange box. Okay, so basically what are we going to study in this video is all about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, and his contribution in freedom struggle, which was a very crucial one as he made the first Indian armed force, that was INA, Indian National Army. Okay, and in Hindi it is known as what? Azad Hind Fauj. Okay, Azad Hind Fauj is the name of the Hindi name of INA. So he made it. Okay, so basically he was a radical nationalist. He respected Gandhiji a lot and considered him or take him as the father of the nation. But still, he did not follow his idea of ahimsa as being the radical leader. He promotes violence. With socialist leanings, Bose did not share Gandhiji's ideal of ahimsa, though they respected him as the father of nation. Okay, now the thing is, in January 1941, in the month of January 1941 year, in this year, Bose secretly left Calcutta. Okay, he used to live in Bengal, but he secretly left Calcutta without telling anybody because he was the very famous and popular leader during that times. And the people in Calcutta were very disappointed because Bose was not founded anywhere, and people were really very depressed because due to this news. Okay, and britishers also became active towards this, and they also tried to find Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose in India, but they couldn't. Okay, so Netaji left India from Peshawar it is currently in Pakistan. So from there he left India and he first went to Germany. Okay, so here on the map you can see that here is Germany, here is, first of all, here is India, and then just below India, in the south of India, southeastern part of India, there is Singapore. Okay, this is India and this is Germany. Okay, so first of all he left from Pakistan, okay, means Peshawar. He left to Germany. There he met with Adolf Hitler. At that times you may have listened about Hitler, the dictator. Okay, so he went to Germany. Then after, but first due to some reasons, he came to Singapore, and then he made finally his Azad Hind Fauj here and prepared his Fauj and army here all over, all perfectly. Okay, in Singapore. All right. So this was the journey of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So this he made this forge in 1944. The INA tried to invade in India through Imphal and Kohima. So you have listened about Imphal, the capital of um, it's the capital of Manipur, right? The capital of Manipur is Imphal, and Kohima is the capital of Nagaland, right? Kohima is the capital of what? Nagaland. So, from these two eastern states of India, uh, the INA tried to enter into India secretly. This was also in a secret way, but this campaign was failed, and INA members were captured by Britishers and they were imprisoned and also tried. People People in all over the country from all walks of life participated in the movement against the INA trials. So as INA was captured, so people were again Indians were in a rage that please leave Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, but Britishers captured them and did not did not left Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and he was also died. Okay, and INA was not anymore, and it also was demolished. All right. So if you have any kind of doubt related to this topic, please mention in the comment section. I'll definitely answer. And thank you. Have a good day. If you like it, dislike it. Bye.